Storm SS. Removing polymer flooring is one of the longest and dustiest processes during a renovation, especially if it's done manually. The Oklahoma-based company OEM Product has an ingenious solution to this problem by creating special machines just for this purpose. The flagship product of this brand is Storm SS. According to the manufacturers, it is the only floor scraper that works with a multi-speed electric motor and a hydrostatic transmission. This allows the user to control the number of revolutions per minute. As in a gas-powered vehicle, this machine can be used in small rooms such as offices and bathrooms, and also in open spaces such as airports, halls, and hospitals. The device can be adapted to any type of coating and speed too. Powerful batteries provide enough power for the work. Red Shark Bike. Bike firm Red Shark unveils pedal-powered trimaran that lets cyclists cruise on water. The cheapest models cost about $5,783 and the most expensive is about $11,570. A trimaran is a multi-hull boat made up of a main hull and two smaller hulls attached to the main with lateral beams. The fun and adventure models are made up of high-density polyethylene, or HDPE, with adventure having thicker plastic, reinforcing the underside of its three hulls. While sport model is made almost entirely of lightweight carbon fiber for speed. All three have a retractable rudder, a saltwater-proof dive shaft, and are designed to fold in a way that allows them to fit onto a regular car-mounted bicycle rack. And recently, British research showed that cycling to work slashes the risk of cancer, heart problems, or dying early by almost half. Also, risk of dying prematurely from any cause is 41% reduced. Sweeper. Meet Sweeper, the world's first sweet pepper harvesting tool that is increasing the efficiency and reducing labor dependence in greenhouse farming industry. The robot is an assembly of an autonomous mobile platform with a robotic arm, holding an end effector for fruit harvesting. The robotic arm with the end effector scans the crop for mature peppers. The camera operates completely independently from surrounding light conditions. It gives color images and the distance map. This information is used for pepper detection localization and maturity classification. The robot was trained to find obstacles like leaves and stems. With a simulated artificial pepper crop model and a deep learning network, it can detect the pepper location. The space in which the robot arm may move is very limited. The robotic arm employs visual servo control to reach the peduncle of the peppers on target for this. The pepper in such a direction that the stem is always to the backside of the pepper. The small cutting tool is positioned just above the pepper and cuts the peduncle, while the cutting tool is moved downwards. After cutting the pepper, it falls downwards into the fingers of the pepper catching device and is moved towards the pepper bin by the robotic arm. Rize YS-01. Agricultural helicopters are very beneficial to people. They allow spraying liquid and powdered chemicals designed to kill pests in the shortest possible time. In addition, they're also capable of spreading fertilizer. As you can see, they have many advantages. The helicopter moves faster than any equipment or a person. And in addition, the helicopter does not come into physical contact with the plants, which means that it doesn't damage them as other equipment would. However, agricultural robots have disadvantages too, as they are complex, cumbersome, and expensive machines that can only be operated by specially trained people. However, the YS-01 helicopter is from the Japanese company Rize, and it does not have unnecessary disadvantages, and has been designed for independent entrepreneurs who own relatively small fields. The advantages of this aircraft can be seen immediately. The Rize YS-01 weighs only 15 kilograms, so it can be transported even in a pickup truck. At the same time, it's a compact drone that perfectly deals for the task of agricultural helicopters. It's controlled by a special remote control unit. This machine lifts up to 10 kilograms of load and can stay in the air for up to half an hour.